Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 XCX. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 with 29,503 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS cruise control. It's been upgraded with fog lights, handlebar risers, a ball mount, a luggage plate mount, an aftermarket sprocket, and body wrap. Powered by a 799cc transverse 3-cylinder engine, the Tiger puts 95 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Tiger has a 250 to 325 mile range. It has a 33.1-inch seat height and a 474-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Tiger will need a functioning right turn signal, a new front brake pad, and the fork seals will need to be replaced. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the service indicator light is on and the clutch lever is bent. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and dents on the muffler, the tank wrap is peeling, there are scratches on the upper fairing, and scratches on the handguards. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the Program and Warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.